Hi all, this is Surya, working in Dr.SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Department of Computer Science, Full Stack Web Development, Operating System. Today we are going to see about deadlocks and starvation. Deadlock is nothing but it is a process that have resource 1 and 2 and process 1 and 2 and assigned with and something and waiting for and one more something. Deadlock occurs when none of the process is set able to do ahead due to the required resources, and starvation occurs when the process waits in indefinite time to get the resource by its requires. Starvation is a problem of resource management where there is an OS operating system process does not have resource because it is being used by other process. It is a problem when the low priority process gets damaged for a long duration of time because of high priority requires being executed. Then we examine three common approaches to dealing with the deadlock, that is prevention, detection and avoidance. We took the classic problem used to illustrate both synchronization and deadlock issue, the dining philosopher problem. And here the starvation refers to the situation of process or resource able to process a particular resource need to be allowed allocation of resource. Deadlock, livelock, starvation. Livelock is a deadlock-like situation in which the process block each other with a repeated stage and change yet make no process. Starvation is outcome of deadlock. Livestock, result of continuous resource denial to the process. Here we are going to see about condition of deadlock. A deadlock is operating system is a situation which is one or more process is blocked because holding the resource by allows requires some resource that is acquired by some other process. The four necessary condition for deadlock situation: mutual, no preemption, hold and wait, circular set. What is deadlock starvation? Starvation occurs when one or more threads in your program are blocked from gaining access to a resource and as a result cannot make process. Deadlock, the ultimate form of starvation, occurs when two or more threads are waiting on condition that cannot be satisfied. Process of deadlock starvation. Deadlock occurs when none of the process is set able to move ahead due to occupancy of required resource by some other process. Starvation in a operating system occurs when the process indefined time to get resource it. And what is starvation problem? Problem occurs when low priority process get damaged for an unspecified time. High priority process keeps executing and will stop a low priority process from ever obtaining the process. Real life example of deadlock. Another real life example of deadlock is use of single track by multiple trains. Say multiple tracks convey one to one. There is a train on each individual track leading to one track. All trains are stopped waiting to the another to go. Through none of them move. Have to prevent the deadlocks. Here some of the strategies such as resource allocation denial, resource ordering, hold and wait prevention, preemptive resource allocation, polling, IO scheduling contribute to preventing the deadlock by breaking one or more necessary condition of deadlock formation. Starvation in multi-threading. Starvation describes a situation where the thread is unable to gain regular access to share resource and is unable to make process. Happens shared resources are made unable for long period by greedy threads. Starvation deadlock. Deadlock is a situation when all processes are holding one resource each, another process to acquire a different resource. Starvation is a situation low priority process from acquiring resources, and when process high priority consistent consume resource. With algorithm is starvation. Starvation is a priority scheduling algorithm with the CPU ready for the process and indefinitely because of the low priority. Thank you all for this